What if you don't feel ready for your trip yet? How do I mentally prepare myself for a trip? Do I miss our spontaneous trips? Do we get any couple time when we are on a holiday? Which was my biggest breakdown moment during travel. How do I mentally prepare myself for a trip? Nothing. I mean, the trip itself is exciting, so no preparation needed. बस decide करो और चलो. But of course, I think the only thing that's changed is अब locations baby friendly होनी चाहिए. I always look at it from the point of view कि शुक्र को वहाँ क्या क्या करने में मज़ा आएगा, वो क्या क्या कर सकती है, उसने क्या नहीं देखा है. So yeah. Have I ever cancelled a trip because it was too overwhelming? I've not cancelled a trip outstation, but I have cancelled many trips to Nani house, my mom's house. So Mama stays about an hour away from where we stay, 40 minutes away. But you know, Bombay traffic कभी कभी वो 1.5 घंटा भी हो सकता है. So ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है, बहुत बार शुक्र के होने के बाद कि मैंने सब प्लानिंग करके कैंसिल कर दिया. Simply because ट्रैफिक आवर है, ट्रैफिक बढ़ गया है, शुक्र की चीज़ें पैक नहीं हो पाई हैं. I love dogs, but that was a bit scary. और या शुक्र ने एंड मिनट जल्दी नैप लेने का डिसाइड कर लिया, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. सो मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव कैंसल्ड गोइंग टू नानी हाउस लास्ट मिनट. बाऊ बाऊ, ये जो बाऊ, Shukar loves baobabs. Whose babies don't like baobabs? Dogs are just like so cute. Do I miss our spontaneous trips? Yes, I do. Especially because Ashish and I are extremely spontaneous as a couple. हमने इतनी सारी spontaneous trips ली हैं जहाँ पे हमने रात को क्या हमने सुबह डिसाइड किया है और हम दोपहर को निकल गए हैं. Even for our last year anniversary trip when I was pregnant, हमारी anniversary थी and I was waiting for some scan or some test and I think रात को हमने डिसाइड किया है, सुबह एयरपोर्ट पे रूम्स बुक किए हैं और हम निकल पड़े. So of course you get the gist. Very spontaneous. But अब ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. Do I miss it? I don't know. Not really. I mean, maybe, yeah. I don't have a clear answer to that. But trips तो हम कर ही रहे हैं और spontaneity भी होती रहेगी. पूरी ज़िंदगी पड़ी है उसके लिए. But right now, life needs a lot of planning, a lot of care around my little. Oh my God, I just want to eat her all the time. Do all mothers feel like this? You know, you just want to eat your baby and... I love you, Shukar. Agla question. I feel for you. What if you don't? Flower? Yes, flower. You want to give me one more flower? Okay. No, mood change. Okay. What if you don't feel ready for your trip yet? Which is totally fine. Because you have to do it when you are ready, mama. And nothing else matters. And anyway, it's a trip. I always believe trips, vacations, these are just wow. मेरी नैनी शुक्र को सड़क पे रख के भाग गई है कहीं. शी इज़ द बेस्ट नैनी. सरोजा, आई लव यू. बट हाँ, कुछ आई थिंक उसका शुक्र का बेबी गिर गया है, टॉय. सो या, यू हैव टू डू इट व्हेन यू आर रेडी. एंड एज आई वाज सेइंग, ट्रिप्स बहुत ही लाइफ का एक एक्स्ट्रा व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, फ्रिल्स है. It's not a need or a necessity. Okay, wait. Something happened. क्यों हम मदर्स हमेशा, हाँ ओके मैंने नहीं सुना. हम मदर्स हमेशा क्यों इस एंग्जाइटी में रहते हैं? प्लीज़ मुझे बताओ. थोड़ा सा मैंने सुना मैम, तो मुझे लगा पता नहीं क्या हो गया, भागते हुए मैं गई. बस पानी की ब्रेक चल रही थी. फन फैक्ट, हम ऐसे इसलिए होते हैं बिकॉज after we give birth, there is a gland called amygdala, which opens up in a mother's body, brain. एंड वो ग्लैंड जब तक आप बर्थ नहीं दो वो शट रहता है, और बर्थ देने के बाद ही वो ग्लैंड खुलता है. एंड दैट ग्लैंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द वरिंग, you know, the overthinking in your body.
Do we get any couple time when we are on a holiday? As a matter of fact, we do. But only अगर हमारी नानी हमारे साथ आती है, या हमारी नानी हमारे साथ आती है, या दादी हमारे साथ आती है. एंड तो मिल जाता है जब जैसे अभी हम लंच के लिए आए हुए हैं. शुक्र है हमारे साथ, बट शी इज समवेयर प्लेइंग. एंड क्या हमें हमारा कपल टाइम मिल रहा है? क्या हमें हमारा कपल टाइम मिल रहा है? ऐसा होता है हमारा कपल टाइम कि हम बैठे हैं और आशीष अपनी बेटी को ऐसे ला 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 करके देख रहा है. यस बेबी, एंड देयर गोज आवर कपल टाइम. बट वी मैनेज. इट्स मोस्टली आफ्टर शुक्र गोज टू बेड, आफ्ter Shukr goes to sleep, and then oi, I have to put a flower on your face now. Oi. Then we get a couple time. But this is how our couple time ends usually. Do we stick to routines? Yes, we do as much as possible, because a holiday is already very overstimulating and overwhelming for the child. So हम जितना routine से stick करेंगे उतना easy हो जाता है, and it's quite easy to stick to routine if you're ready to sacrifice a few things, right? Like Shukr is still on 2 naps, which means हम पूरे दिन के लिए बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं. So you know we need to. Yes. So if we do, you want to be. Baby, I'll have to make a separate series for your baby. So yeah, we try and stick to routine as much as possible. It's good. Especially रात का सोना, दिन में nap time, आधा घंटा इधर उधर is okay, but mostly okay. How do I feed my child in public without getting embarrassed in front of people? It's very strange that ये question इतना ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है, which means it's sad that mothers maybe go through this. Maybe they go through raised eyebrows in public or from even relatives or family. अगर ऐसा है, it's a very very sad situation, because I just feed. I think it's one of the most natural things that God has made, and it is one of the most beautiful things. बच्चा hungry है, आप feed करोगे, and इससे ज़्यादा सुंदर चीज़ कोई हो नहीं सकती है. So अगर एक माँ को इतना कुछ सोचना पड़ता है ज़िंदगी में, और अगर feeding भी सोचना पड़ेगा, then it's a very very sad thing. And then basically लोगों को चुल्लू भर पानी में. So mamas, just feed. You're doing such an amazing job, one of the hardest, most fulfilling jobs in the world. And if your baby is hungry and if you want to feed in public, just wear an apron and feed.
Okay, so Shukr is down for her nap, and so is Ashish. So much for our couple time. My next question is, which was my biggest breakdown moment during travel, and this one is super easy to answer, but it was the toughest moment of my life. And this was when Shukr was just 6 महीने की हो गई थी, और हम अपनी फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप के लिए जा रहे थे टू द मॉलडीव्स. एंड हमारी नानी हमारे साथ नहीं थी, एंड मैं तो बहुत खुश थी इस बात से कि चलो नानी का पासपोर्ट नहीं है, हमें नहीं ले जाना पड़ेगा. एंड आई वॉन्टेड अस टू हैव अ फैमिली टाइम, बिकॉज अभी तक जब तक भी हम गए थे, नानी या दादी, समवन वाज ऑलवेज विद अस. सो इट वाज अ ट्रू first family trip with just the 3 of us. So I was very happy कि yes, we're gonna do it, and you know it's gonna be great for us. And yes, it was amazing. But जब हमने वो ट्रिप शुरू की, we were at the airport and we were about to board, and I told Ashish, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna quickly check her diaper, because that, you know, flight में congested होते हैं, मैं check कर लेती हूँ. Thank God that I checked, because when I went to the loo, Shukr was covered in the worst excreta. Why do I not feel comfortable talking about a potty? And why am I looking here as if कोई बैठा है इस रूम में? कोई भी नहीं बैठा है. Okay, anyway, so Shukr पॉटी से भरी हुई थी और उसका डाइपर समहाउ लीक हो चुका था उसकी जीन्स में, कपड़ों में। एंड राइट उस टाइम पे उसने सोचा कि अब मैं अपनी लाइफ का बिगेस्ट क्राइंग सेरेमनी करती हूँ। एंड शुक्र इज touchwood not someone who cries, she's not a cry baby, she's usually a very happy baby. So she said कि चलो मम्मा को तकलीफ तो हो ही रही है, डाइपर भी साफ करना है, पॉटी हर जगह मैंने कर ही दी है, तो थोड़ी सी और तकलीफ देती थी, रो भी लेते हैं अभी, और पब्लिक प्लेस में। And oh my god, she has cried and she was a baby then, right? So it's not like मैं उसको कहीं खड़ा करके जैसे अभी कर सकती हूँ कि शुक्र stand here and I can go do. She was like rolling off. And there's potty everywhere. On the diaper changing station, there was a very kind Didi over there, and she was like looking at me with sympathetic eyes कि can I do something? I said but मैं आपको बेबी भी दूंगी तो भी वो आपके पास रोएगी, आपके ऊपर पॉटी भी लगा देगी, तो what am I supposed to do now? It was so difficult, so difficult. Like there are little bits of this जो मुझे अभी याद भी नहीं है, but मुझे सिर्फ ये याद है कि मैं बहुत बहुत ट्रॉमेटाइज हो गई थी। और उसके बाद मुझे याद है एक दो माएँ आई थी, एंड देन यू नो दे हैड लिटिल ओल्डर बेबीज, एंड वन गेव मी अ वेरी सिंपैथेटिक लुक एंड लाइक been there done that. One gave me a very like, and sometimes I think mothers do this, very judgmental look, like अपना बच्चा भी नहीं संभाला जाता तुमसे, you know, that sort of a look. And it was like I'm trying, how do I throw the diaper? And I remember उस दिन मैंने उसकी टी शर्ट वहीं फेंक दी थी. I was like I can't wash it now. जीन्स तो मैंने किसी तरह धो के रख ली थी, एंड आई ऑब्वियसली हैव ऑलवेज हैव उसका एक एक्स्ट्रा कपड़े, तो फिर वो चेंज करा है, बट बहुत डिफिकल्ट था वो मोमेंट। मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, दैट I don't know, is it like God, like why did, I always wonder, why did Shukar decide to do the biggest, take the biggest dump of her life on the day we're traveling, without a nanny, on the, just right before boarding, when like literally my husband's also by the way calling me frantically, Ashish ki all okay, boarding, final boarding. ऐसा क्यों करते हैं बच्चे? मतलब उनको क्या पता चल जाता है कि कुछ चलो let's just have some fun with mama now, like how is she so peaceful, let's just do some things to stir up things. I think it was one of those days. Oh my god, it was so dramatic. Do you try new foods with your baby? Do you make your baby try new food, or do you stick to what they're already comfortable with? We love trying new food as a family. Like Ashish and I were both complete foodies. Ashish too is from the food business, so he loves trying new things, new cuisines, new restaurants. And somewhere along the way, I don't know if it's the right thing or the wrong thing, Shukar has also become like that. बचपन से ही इतना हम बाहर खाते हैं, by बाहर I also mean हमारे रेस्टोरेंट. So शुक्र जब I think 40 days complete करते ही पहला रेस्टोरेंट वो जो गई was her daddy's restaurant, right? So even now हफ्ते में 3-4 बार हम वहाँ जाते हैं. So she's also used to eating out a lot. We've traveled a lot, and I make her try new things, but of course within the limits. Like how do I say it? Like we love seafood, but I've not made her try all of the seafood. I made her try fish and prawns, and I gave her a little bit of squid the other day. But see, I zone out again. I have no idea why I do this. I just zone out. Do all mothers go through this? Like, is it a mom brain thing? Like I'm answering the question and then I don't know, I start thinking about something. So anyway, yes, we make her try new things, but I also like to keep her favorite things around and handy. जैसे उसके sweet potato, rice, खिचड़ी, eggs, जो favorite चीज़ें हैं वो मैं definitely incorporate करती हूँ, but also new चीज़ें भी try करते हैं. But problem new चीज़ों का क्या है? There's a big list of things that I don't give her yet, right? So no sugar or sugar variants. There's obviously no processed food, no maida, no white maida and stuff, flour, no packaged food. So वो list बहुत है. So when we're trying new things, I just have to be sure that it's fresh, and as long as it's fresh, healthy, nutritious, I think we're okay. We try a lot of new stuff.
So we're leaving today, and just before our flight, we've stepped out for a little walk, and एंड आई एम गोना टेक द लास्ट फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. उसमें से एक तो बहुत ही रेलिवेंट है अभी, बिकॉज इस वॉक पे भी मैं सोच रही थी कि शुक्र का सारा खाना पैक हो गया कि नहीं. सो व्हाट फूड आइटम्स डू आई generally carry for long travels? Would be a whole lot of snacks that I know Shukr 100% eats, which is dry snacks like makhanas and also her favorite pancakes. Pancake एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो वो हर लाइक वो मील सब्स्टिट्यूट भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज वो फिलिंग भी है. सो देयर इज ओट्स फ्लावर, बनाना, एग्स इन इट, और वो काफ़ी देर टिक भी जाता है ना, और हमें बहुत पसंद है. सो पैनकेक्स, मखानाज एंड होममेड कुकीज़. आई थिंक दीज स्नैक्स रियली आर ड्राई, ईजी टू कैरी एंड वेस्ट भी होते हैं तो दुख नहीं होता, और मेस फ्री होते हैं, और गारंटी है 99% की शुक्र उनको खा लेती है. 3 small toys or activities would definitely be books and more books, because Shukr loves her books. And yeah, I would just say books, different kinds of books, musical books, soft books, pop-up books, different kinds of books. And because उसके पास इतनी सारी book collection है तो मैं उनको rotate करती रहती हूँ. Yes, there is a baby there. तो मैं उनको rotate करती रहती हूँ. So they really are very helpful during flights, journeys, car journeys, all of that. So lots of books. है ना? I mean, op. You want to come op? Any non-screen activities, etc., to keep Shukr engaged at airports would be food. I plan airport arrivals in a way कि हम lounge में. Why? Stroller is for sitting. Do your babies also just want to come out of the stroller? Would be हाँ, एयरपोर्ट पे टाइम से पहुंच जाओ, मील उस हिसाब से कर लो, खाना खाने में बिज़ी, आसपास के लोगों को देखने में बिज़ी, सो कट जाता है समय. और उसी बात पे हमारा टाइम हो गया है एयरपोर्ट जाने का. लेट्स सी इफ आई कैन टेक अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस देयर. टाइम पे पहुंच के खाना खाना है. लेट्स गो. What do I do when my baby cries mid-flight non-stop? Fortunately, that's very rare. Yes, Daddy. Fortunately, that's very rare. बहुत कम बार हुआ है, but yes, कुछ बार हुआ है. They are babies, they're going to cry. और अगर ऐसा होता है, I don't do anything. My focus is on my baby. My focus is to calm her down. And अगर ज़्यादा किसी पैसेंजर को दिक्कत हो रही होती है तो मैं उनको सॉरी बोल देती हूँ कि बच्चे हैं, समझ जाओ. But I think most people are understanding, and if they're not understanding, then I'm sorry. You're just being a bad human being, if I may say so. Finally, back home. It was a long and super hectic travel evening. Definitely not as planned. जैसा बहुत बार होता है मोस्टली. हम लेट हो गए थे, सो आज बहुत जल्दी में हमने फ़्लाइट पकड़ी. एंड रिमेंबर दैट थिंग दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि हम जाके खाते हैं, वो नहीं हुआ. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो व्हाट ट्रैवल इज़ ऑल अबाउट. थिंग्स कीप चेंजिंग एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स थिंग्स डू नॉट गो एज प्लान्ड. बट थैंकफुली मेरे पास शुक्र का खाना एज एन ऑप्शन मेरे साथ भी था टिफ़िन में. सो आई फेड हर इन द फ्लाइट. So I feel relieved about that. And yeah, और मैंने सोचा था मैं एयरपोर्ट पे वीडियो बनाऊंगी, और वो मैं नहीं बना पाई. तो एटलीस्ट मैं उसे अभी ख़त्म कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज एज अ लिटिल स्मॉल रेजोल्यूशन टू माई सेल्फ आई थॉट दैट इस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी ट्रू टू माई व्लॉग. और मैं एक अच्छे स्टूडेंट की तरह, एक अच्छे बच्चे की तरह जहाँ मौका मिलेगा, आई एम गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड इट, कीप इट ऑथेंटिक, कीप इट जेन्युइन. So this is me, as genuine as possible. It's, I think, almost 10:30, 11 in the night. I'm waiting to get into my bed, obviously after a nice hot shower. But I just want to say one signing note that, travel looks very different now. It is not the same. जैसा पहले होता था. It looks very, very different, but it's beautiful and it's so worth it. It's so worth it. So if this video is finding you in the middle of your travel and you're feeling overwhelmed, I hope this helps.
If you are planning your first travel and you find this video, I hope this helps too. Or if you just if you're not a parent and you want to feel good about your free life before having kids, I hope this video finds you too. So life, traveling life after having kids is so different, but so fulfilling, like anything in motherhood. So I hope you liked this video because I loved having this chat. It just felt very real to me. It may feel a bit slow to you because that was the pace of my holiday, and it's literally me thinking about all your questions and wanting to answer them in the most authentic and honest way possible, without sugarcoating anything, without making it look very Pinteresty or very Instagrammable or very like, oh, it's very aesthetic. No, none of that. This is as real as it gets. And I tried to keep it that way. So I hope you like it, and I hope we can have more real talks like that. Let me know if you would like that. I would like that. So this is me saying good night or good morning, good evening, whatever part of the day you're watching this, and just sending you lots of love and a lot of strength if you're traveling. Bye.